I'm Bob McGuire. I'm 79 years old, and I've been an amputee for the last 47 years. Since I've been an amputee, I've tried many different products, and it seems like the biggest problems were stability and volume control. Recently, Chris Durger of Osur fit me with a Rheo Knee and a Unity vacuum system. Of all the products I tried in the last 47 years, the Rheo Knee 3 has the most stability. And with the Unity system, I'm able to go out in the Florida sun and play golf for 3 or 4 hours in the afternoon and don't have to worry about volume fluctuation.